Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Recording on my new camera, so I'm still trying to figure out how to work it because I was so used to my other one. So bear with me. Today is Monday, so we're gonna kind of do like a Monday reset slash just hang out with me on Monday. I wanted to clean the house. I'm starting to lose my voice or get sick. I feel like I've been kind of sick for the past like 3 days, but I've been taking medicine, but my throat is still kind of like sore and raspy. But I want to clean the house, I want to go to the gym. If I have time, I want to go do some returns, but the returns are at the mall. That's why I'm like, if I have time, if I feel like driving over there. For today's video, we're gonna clean, we're gonna do some work, we're gonna go to the gym, we're gonna read, we might go to the grocery store. You guys are just gonna hang out with me today. Before we get started on today's video, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel already, be sure to hit that little subscribe button and the bell button. That way you guys get notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, let's get into it, guys. It's currently 10:15 in the morning. I'm gonna make my little morning tea and then we'll just continue cleaning the house. I just finished running a mile. Dude, it's already 2:30 and I haven't eaten. Like I haven't ate. I'm low-key like fasting, but it's like unintentionally. So I'm gonna make a quick little breakfast sandwich before I head out. So I'm gonna eat, and then I have to go drop off some returns and packages, and then I'm gonna go to the gym. This is my breakfast. It's a little egg muffin. It has cheese, sausage, and avocado, and then I'm gonna top it with some mustard and a little chile curtido. Yeah, this one has about 18 grams of protein. I usually try to aim for my breakfast to have like 35 plus grams of protein, but since I'm going to the gym right now, I don't want to eat too heavy, so this will do. Okay, this is my gym concoction for the day. I'm gonna be taking 2 scoops of Oxy Shred Juicy Watermelon. This is their new flavor. This one is so good. If you like tart flavors, you'll like that one. Be putting a scoop of L-carnitine. L-carnitine helps turn your fat into energy so you can burn it. So I always like to mix this with either my pre-workout or my Oxy Shred before a workout. And then of course, I'm gonna be putting a scoop of my creatine on there because we trying to be a muscle mommy. And I'm gonna be making it in this cup because like I said, I have to go run some errands first, so I don't wanna drink it while I'm here at the house. Okay, so I got my L-carnitine. I got my creatine. Two scoopies. Putting some ice in there, and then the other ice, I'm gonna put it in my water jug. I'll see you guys once I'm at the gym. I need to load up the car because I got my gym bag and then all my returns, and then these 2 things that I gotta carry. So I'll see you guys once I'm at the gym. No, because why did I almost my pants? I took a poopy pill last night, and this morning, like usually as soon as I wake up, like it hits, and this morning I didn't use the restroom, so I was like, oh, you know, maybe I just didn't drink enough water, like the pill's just not gonna hit this time. It happens. Tell me why. I guess because I ate the breakfast sandwich, that shit started to kick in, and I was at the UPS and I literally was like squeezing the shit out of my butt. I was like, please, please, please do not let me shit my pants at the UPS store. Starting with the stairs. I'm gonna keep a steady pace because I want to go for like 20 minutes, I think. I'm back home from the gym. Now we're gonna make our lunch. I'm gonna be making shrimp with onions and then rice and broccolini. That's for our lunch. And then I'm also gonna start making our dinner, which is gonna be ground turkey, and see what other vegetables we have in the fridge. I love shrimp because it has a good amount of protein and it's so freaking fast to make. And then whenever I make rice, I know a lot of people use rice cookers. I usually just make the rice on the stove, and I usually make around like 2.5 cups to 3.5 cups, just so that I can have the rice prepared, because it's just so much easier when you have your food ready. So let's get to cooking because I am freaking starving. If you know, you know, I be using minute rice, so it's literally the easiest thing. You just boil water. Once the water is boiling, you put your rice, and for every cup of rice you use, it's that cup of water. So I did 2.5 cups of rice, so it's gonna be 2.5 cups of water. And then you lower the heat once you got the rice in there. Once the rice is in there, you season it. I'm gonna be using seasoned all salt, giving it a little mixy. And then you just put the top on it, turn off the heat, and just let it cook for like 5 to 7 minutes, and that's it. It's literally so freaking easy. Now to season the shrimp. I usually use lemon to season the shrimp, but since the Sunday Fun Day, we bought a lot of limes for the shots. So I got a lot of limes that I need to use before they get bad. So we're just gonna use some lime today. We got the shrimp, the broccolini, and the rice. I love that shrimp and broccolini take so fast to cook. Okay, we got our dinner, broccolini, the rice, and the shrimp. I forgot to do the onions, but it's okay. How was it?
I'm sick.
How was it?
I was ready to do the voice for real.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, I washed my hair. Now I need to blow it out, but I'm currently eating my dinner. I'm eating ground turkey with green beans and some brown rice. This is dinner. Of course we got Cash. Trying to snag some of whatever he can. This is gonna wrap up today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on next week's vlog. Bye guys.